Hello everyone, this is Tracy. Welcome to HANJIU Technology. Today I'm gonna introduce our hydraulic motors to you. Some people may ask, why not using electric motors? Comparing to electric motors, hydraulic motors have obvious advantages of safety, economy, even in extremely bad weather like rainy, snowy, or underwater. Hydraulic orbit motors convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. The shaft has been driven by the oil flow. The shaft and the equipment are connected to each other. That's driving the equipment to start working. We have more than 10 series hydraulic motors. Today, I choose 4 series hydraulic motors to let you know, and I will introduce others in our future shows. The smallest one is our BMM motors. You can see I can hold it. It's light, it's tiny, but the most features of this motor is the high speed. The maximum speed is up to 2000 revolutions per minute. Look at the nameplate. The displacement is 8 cc. And on the surface, there are 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. The shaft is straight shaft with parallel key. The parallel key. And the oil pulse is on the side. We can also make the 2 bolts flange. With spline shaft. Sometimes the oil pulse can be placed at the bottom. This type is widely used for mini wrench, mini indoor sweepers, and mining machinery. Well, besides that is our BMP series motors. This is a medium-sized motor which are manufactured following strict procedures to reduce tolerances between all components to permit lower speed, higher efficiency, and smoother rotation at very low speeds. These motors are not for high speed or low pressure applications. For this one is 100 cc motors. The flange is 2 bolts. Rope flange. We can also make 4 bolts flange and 4 bolts square flange. Look at the shaft. It's also straight shaft with parallel key. Can you guess the dimension of the shaft? I bet it's 25 millimeters or 1 inch. Don't ask me why, I just know it. Look at the oil pot, it's on the side too. And the bottom, there is a drain pot. Some customers may request the oil pots to make at the bottom too. I guess it's easy for them to connect their machines. The application for this type is for plastic injection machines, molding machines, mini harvesters, and forest machinery. The next one is our BMR series. Let's put these 2 motors together. Look at the shape. It's very similar. They have the same flange, the same shaft, also the same oil pulse positions. Most customers prefer to choose BMR series if under the same working conditions, because BMR is the upgrade of BMP series. The price is similar. but BMR has much more performance than BMP. The lowest speed is 155 revolutions per minute, but the torque is 690. The last one and the most heaviest one is our BMP series. Oh God, it's too heavy, I can't hold it. Some of customers use this one is for their concrete bomb trucks, like famous brand Postmasters, Sifa, and Junjin. The shaft is 31.75 millimeters or 35 millimeters. Straight shaft. Hot selling displacement are 500 cc and 750 cc with 4-bolt flange. It also can be used on food industries, textiles machines, metal working machines. Well, until now, we knew the flange, the output shaft, the oil pores, and application areas. Knowing of that is for choosing correct hydraulic motors, but usage is also very important. Correct usage will directly affect the working life, so we have to pay much attention of the application guidelines. Firstly, the hydraulic oil. The hydraulic system should be equipped with filter to ensure the cleanness of the hydraulic oil, as well as cooling system to prevent excessive oil temperature. If for longer usage, the oil temperature should not be exceed 65 degrees, and oil should be changed for half a year. Secondly, checking the hydraulic motors carefully before installation. The output shaft dimension should be accurate. The surface of the mounting should be flat. The bolts on the mounting must be tied evenly. The third, during the applications, if there is any abnormal temperature rising, leakage, or noise, stop immediately and find out cause. The last, if you don't use hydraulic motors for a long time, please make sure the internal oil is filled. The oil pores should be sealed, and the shaft should be greased and wrapped, just like this one. So this is for today's first show. If you have interested or need more information, please look up our website www.hjhydraulic.com. Thank you.